What's up, YouTube? So I'm gonna give it my first shot today of flying FPV. I got all my gear right there, transmitter, except I'm not gonna be flying a quad. I'm gonna be flying my UMX Timber. Let me see if I can, oh, there's a ditch here, gotta get over it. All right, yeah, so I'm gonna be flying my UMX Timber as a bind and fly. And I have a video of how that's all set up or what I got for it. But yeah, wish me luck. Hopefully everything goes good. I'm using the Eachine Vr D2 Pros. I got an unboxing of that on my channel. So I hope you enjoy this. See you in the air. Haha. Alright, I'm just getting everything set up for the first flight. Alright, I finally got it to work. It was set to PAL and this camera is on NTSC, so I was getting lines and all that and I didn't know why, but now it's finally connected and working. So now I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to stick the battery up in there again. This whole thing. Get that on there. We're going to set it up. Fly in the wind. Alright, wish me luck. First flight on the FPV goggles. So we will go ahead and let's find that DVR out. Okay. Record. Okay, finally. I'm gonna figure out how to get back to, there we go. Okay, let's give this a shot now. Alright, let me get situated. Cut is on. I can't see anything, so. Alright. Here we go.
Hey.